Hello and welcome to this new tutorial about the Web SDK nutrient solution. My name is Fabio De Rose and I'm a solution engineer working at Nutrient. So for today's video, we will talk a little bit about the annotation and also how to set dynamically the creator name, which is a property of the annotation, automatically in a programmatic way. So first of all, we are creating an array, an empty array that is called all stamps, where I will iterate on it and I will inject annotation. And at the end, I will use that array to write all annotation at once. Also, I'm creating an array of creators with 5 different names. So those names will be used in the code where when I will iterate to create each annotation that will be stored in all stamps, each annotation will have as the creator name, the first one will have Richard, the second one will have Ellie, Alex, Pav, and the last one will have Chris. So I'm starting by loading the viewer with different options. And right after, I'm using the set annotation creator name to set Fabio as the default author name when a new annotation will be created in the viewer. So here, what I'm doing, I'm iterating because I want to create a 5 different annotation. So in the array, we have declared here that is for the moment empty at the first place, so 0. We are creating a new annotation. So the page index is 0 because the first page, but we start counting from 0. We set the ID, the stem type, so it's a custom stem type. We set the title, so in that case, it will be stamp 0. We set the color, like we customize our annotation to look like what we want to see. And at the end here, you can see that we are setting the creator name property of the annotation, of the stamp annotation, with the value 0, because I equals 0 here, from the creator array. So the first user, the first creator name will be Richard. So we do that 1 time, 2 times, till 5. So we have created our 5 different stamp annotation with every time an iteration in the creator array. So the first annotation, the author name will be Richard, second one, Ellie, third one, Alex, then Pav, and the last one will have Chris as the author name. And once everything is done, so we did not do something in the viewer for the moment. We have just like filled the all stamp array with all the annotation properties. And here we are calling the instance, the viewer, create methods, and we are passing as an argument the all stamp that contain all the different annotation. So if we check here, so we got the annotation view, we can see that Richard is well the creator name, the first one, then Ellie, Alex, Pav, and Chris. And now what happens if I want to draw an annotation in the viewer? So I'm creating a rectangle annotation. You can see that the creator name automatically is Fabio because I've set it here. So that's it for that video. Thank you very much for your attention, and do not hesitate to check our other video to learn more about the nutrient products. Thank you very much.